I'm doing a quick drive through on B Trail because B Trail at the moment is the only possible way for me to get a car or a four vehicle to my house. Or just drive down it. That might be a bit slippery. If I can cross over to that side and then stay on that side, I think that would be the best bet. So this is a part of B Trail. I might have to cross over. This is where B and H trail splits. B trails exits here, H trail starts here. And it might be easier to do H trail down to that bottom exit there instead of trying to get through this stream. So now I have to find a way up that. came up down that this morning, I think. Somewhere around there. Let's have a look. So, getting closer and closer to home. This will be the first time that I will be dry now since this morning at about 6:30. And we're going to change into the shower, change into dry clothes, and then get back to work. This is where our road is supposed to be. So it's another day. We left the river runs to dry out a bit before we start working on the roads. We've got machines incoming, but now we have to fix some other smaller things. So what's happening now is that while we're struggling to get vehicles through, the flood on the Orange River is dropping and our pump is getting stuck. It needs to be pushed further down. So a lot of things that needs to happen very quickly now. The plan is just to get my pickup to a point where it can be used here below the break in the mountains where we cannot pass through. So while it is stuck here, we can at least use it here. At least when we opened up the stormwater canal, this area drained fairly well. We found that there's a tree that's fallen over the road. Ja, die probleem is nou soos jy saag, gaan jy mos nou op uit draad lê, mens moet hom maar nou saag daar. What's happening here is that As the water level drops, this floating platforms got caught on that steel structure. And it needs to be moved. Hoe is het nou? Is die tank stikkend? Waar is die gat?
Deze gat heeft hem geskierd.
Ja, maar gaan hij zal met een patch opzetten of wat gaan hij maken? So we've got it pulled over enough. The machine can now just push it in. So that's that for now. Let's have a look at the road.